Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a basic movement code in Scratch. So Scratch is one of the best websites known for learning to do small coding and little games and all that stuff. And today I'm going to show you guys how we're going to be able to move the character up, left, down, and right using the WASD and the arrow keys. To begin, as every Scratch code, you want to go to the Events tab and bring a when green flag clicked. This is the start to every code. Now, if we press on this is only going to work for the first second when we press the green flag. So in order for this code to work for the entirety of the time the game is open, we're going to drag the Forever tab. And now as you can see, the game is still going and this code is still on. From there, what we're going to do is bring 4 if statements. If then, you're going to duplicate it, bring it here, duplicate it, bring it here. Let's put these in here. From there, we need to have the computer sense that we press a key. So we're going to go to the Sensing tab where we can find key space pressed. We're going to bring 8 of these as we'll be doing both WASD and the arrow keys. 7 and 8. From there, we have to tell the code that if this key is pressed and this if this key is pressed or this key, then this will happen. So we're going to go to our operators tab and we're going to select the or statement. We're going to need 4 of these. From there, drag 2 into each. This is our first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. From there, we can put these into the if statements. Next up, we want to choose the keys that are going to be pressed for the operation. So let's say for up, we're going to use W like every other game, and the up arrow. For going down, we're going to use S and the down arrow. For left, we're going to use A and the left arrow. And for right, we're going to use D and the right arrow. Now, with this, if we press space, the code works, but nothing moves. Why? Because we haven't told it to move when these are pressed. So we're going to go to the Motion tab, and we are going to bring 2 change X by, X is the left and right, and 2 Y change Y by, which is the up and down. Now, for the ones where we're going left and right, we're going to put the X, so D going to the right, X, A going to the left, X, and for up and down, we're going to put the Y. Now, as you can see, if we play now, if I press D, it goes right. If I press A, it goes right. Why? Because both of these are set to 10. So D should be 10 because it's going to the right, so it's a positive number. And for A, we're going to write minus 10. For W, you want to make sure it's 10 because it's positive, it's going up. And if you want it to go negative down, negative 10. Negative 10. From there, if we press play, if I press A, left, D, right, up, down, the arrow keys work as well. Now, if you feel like this is too fast, you can simply change the numbers to 5, 5, negative 5, negative 5, and now it goes much slower. So there you have it. That is how to make a movement key in code in Scratch. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.